My name is Bency Peter, and I am working here from September 2003 onwards, and I am working as a teacher of physics in the AJB British system, teaching grade 10 and 11. Through various sources, I knew this institution as the one which gives quality education. And moreover, it gave a lot of importance for students' extracurricular activities. I actually worked in another school, and then the students from here, they used to attend the competitions there. So I have seen them, how they excel and how much importance was given to them for their overall development. So even I applied here, and then I was impressed actually with all the happenings which was happening here, and even the visionary the ma'am MD had. She used to know everyone by names, and even when we used to go out, they used to call us with names. So I still believe, when I look backward, it's more than it's less for me as a career, but more as a lifetime full of memories and then relationships. That's what I feel. And moreover, I always think that the institution has grown to a remarkable heights due to their focused approach, due to the focused approach of the management, which is not ordinary. It's truly extraordinary. I remember that I came personally to the school and I applied. There was a vacancy also at that time, and then Mr. Iyengar was the one as the principal, and Miss Omera was the supervisor, and then I had a demo class and an interview with Ma'am Tanveer Arshad, and I was appointed as a grade 12 teacher for CBSE and for British also. But we had classes, lower classes also, because the number of sections were less at that time. What impressed me was the patience, the dedication and the positivity of the people and the vision of the people. That really impressed me. Then it was not actually, it was a warm and a very, close knit environment it was. We were in that beautiful campus near the Deer Roundabout in Ain, and I can see the students, they're very happy. Even though the campus is very small, they used to jump around, like butterflies in a garden. So it was very heartwarming, those incidences. And then the teachers, they actually worked like a family. They did not give importance, not only for the academic success, but even for the overall development and the confidence and the character building for the students. And our ma'am, MD, she used to have a lot of intervention with the teachers, one-to-one rapport. We had very good time, even the gatherings and whatever it is. It was really great. The feeling at times, we had in different phases, if you see, we had groups of friends who helped us as a family, and then we had good relationship. But this is for various reasons, they just, they either go to their country or as a retirement, or sometimes, they go to other Emirates, various reasons. But anyhow, I am a person who is very positive, and then I adapt to the changes. So it went on well. But I always think years, may pass by, but the memories we create and the bonds we build and the relationships we create, it will remain forever. And even for the newcomers, I always say that it's not just fulfilling the responsibilities. It is like shaping the young minds. And then learning, growing every day. And moreover, AJ, we say it is a place where they appreciate the commitment, the teamwork. So I always say, give your best wholeheartedly and stay open to challenges and new learnings. There was a very remarkable incident which happened, I think, if your memory is correct, maybe 2009. Actually, we used to celebrate the school's birthday. And then we called that as a teddy bear birthday. Students are very happy to bring a teddy bear in those days. And then they used to perform a lot of their experiences. And so our class, we surprised MD with a huge teddy bear, and then we gifted her a handmade magazine. The magazine was full of the heartfelt messages and then their creative work and a lot of events which happened in the school. So I personally went to a student's house. In those days, it was very difficult to have these. It was like 17 years back. So I just personally went to a student's house and I made the draft for the whole magazine. And then she was actually very happy. And we even took a picture of her and kept it on the first page. And then she really cherished that moment. And then that moment actually, showed me the love and the innocence of the students. It's not only based on the gift, but that love and the innocence the students had with the school and with Ma'am MD. And there are many incidences like that related with students, classroom. We had a happy moments with many classes. Still, I remember those memories and I cherish them in my life. But there is no time to explain. But one more was there. Actually, it happened in 2024, November. We had this alumni here in our school, and then it was a short notice, but even then students managed to reach. Many of them, from different parts of the country, they managed to reach here, and then it was a auspicious day for every teachers and for the management, because they were even a student from the first set who graduated reached here. Many of them came with families, and then they shared their experiences, their achievements, and I was even still, I'm surprised how they were able to relate each and every incidences in their life with whether it is their mischief, their achievements and everything. So it was a very wonderful day, and I wish there are more chances for the students, because whenever I go out, my old students, sometimes they meet me and they feel regret that they were not able to attend that because of the short notice. And many students, it's because we work here for many years, we are connected with generations. So they used to come and ask me, do you remember me? Do you remember me? They even, quote, I was so mischievous in your class, do you remember me? Even my student from the HR, Fatima, she is my student, and Doha, she is also our student. And even she came on the first day, do you remember me, ma'am? And I was just looking at her. And then she tried to help me recalling incidences so that, I can. But very quickly, we can remember those students, though at times we forget their names, maybe. And again, a special connection for me to this school is both my son and daughter, they had the schooling here. And my daughter now, she's a dentist and she's married. And my son, he's trying to have his career in BBA Finance after his undergraduate. So they also grew with the school. So not only like a teacher, I am a parent who grew with the school. So that is also a special moment, because still now, they have the values which they developed from the school, whether it is their achievements or their extracurricular activities, and everything was developed from the school because they grew with the school. As a person, I'm more confident now, and then more understanding, and then I feel a deep sense of purpose, why I'm here. So Not only as other than that, I have made mistakes, I have evolved, I have learned a lot, and we have changed from the teaching methodologies and everything. And as such, a lot of changes in patience, understand the student community. And I always, even for leadership or whatever opportunities it comes in my way, I never avail it, because always I think being with student, I always feel young. In our department, always we see under the able leadership of our HOD, Mr. Murugappan. Throughout my career, he was there from the beginning with me from 2003 onwards. Many people have joined our department, and then we are very supportive, himself and me, and I have enjoyed with each and every teacher who has joined in our department. Even now, the 3 teachers who are with us, they are new, and we are very friendly with them, and we learn from them also, and they learn from us. And then we are always a group supporting each other. That is why our group is also strong. We never, have ego as seniors, nothing like that. We support them whenever they have problem, and they always, admire us that we are here for many years, and they used to question us also. So we always tell that, there's a sense of belongingness is there in this institution for us. That is why we don't leave this institution. And many teachers, they have come in, they have gone, but even after years, they have contact with us, most of them, because we had a very friendly atmosphere in our department. Still now we are maintaining them. It all happens because of the able leadership of our HOD, that is Mr. Murugappan. He is right from the beginning here. And many have come, many have gone, but due to various reasons, maybe they are shifting to other Emirates, or they have gone to their country, but they were all very happy in our department. So it was a very fruitful question that you asked me. I'm always friendly with my colleagues in my department. I really love them. If I want to say about AJ, it's very different from other schools, because even if you graduate from the school, the bonding is there with the students and the teachers, for the management and for the teachers and the students who are here. Even the students who go out, every year, wherever possible, they come to the school, they visit the teachers, and they have a very good, affectionate, they show their affection towards us. So I always think this school is quite different from other school. Even the teachers who have gone out, if I meet them later, even during these holidays, I met them, they have a lot of good moments to share about the school. So that is very good about this institution. That is why I think, remarkably, it has grown to this height within this short period. And still I wish AJ to grow to greater heights. I thank actually the parents, the teachers, the colleagues who support us, and the management also who have the trust in us. And, I'm actually proud to say my life in AJ has taken a good part in my life story.